Hello everybody, so today I want to talk about calculus, the topic that is about integration. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to number 7 secant of t, because if I put this one gone here, we have 49 secant of t square, 49, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus number 1, we change by tan t square, and later that we simplify the square root at ds. So we do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have 7 secant of t tan t dt. So I will put this one gone here, this one gone here. The ds we change by this one. So this one we have 49 secant of t square, 49, we can do about factorization. Secant of t square minus number 1, we change by tan t square. The square root of 49 tan t square, we have number 7 tan t. Now we need to simplify number 7 tan t on numerator and denominator. Next, this one we have 49 secant of t square. So we simplify secant of t, secant of t. So I will put 49 go outside. This one we have cosine t dt. The integration of cosine t, we have sine t, and I will put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by number 7. And now we can find the value of t equal to arcsecant of s over number 7. And I will put this one to change for t. This is the end. Thank you for watching.